Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to set an image as background in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Setting an image as a background in Canva is a simple yet effective way to enhance your designs. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to click the project or design that you are currently working with. If you haven't already, just click on the templates, wherein you can start from a business template, social media template, or education template, or video, marketing, print products. You can also click the create a design. All right. And then from there, I'm going to upload elements here in this canvas, right? For example, this is a video right here. Obviously, I'm going to be choosing another one right here. Okay. Now, I'm going to upload a certain file, and I wanted this specific image to be the background of this whole design. All I have to do is right click this specific photo, go to layer and click the send to back. All right. There is an option that says the shortcut is going to be control and plus this symbol, right? From here, you just have to drag the element and it will be the background of the design. If you click on another page, going to click on upload. All right. This time around, I'm going to click the this one right here. Choose this image right here. I'm gonna drag this all the way here. Now, what I'm going to do is use another photo. Maybe this butterfly right here. I'm going to make this the background. All I'm going to do is I'm going to make it sure that it covers our photo. I'm going to right click on it, layer, and then send to back. So basically the photo is now the background image of our design. I'm going to click on play to ensure that the images and photos blends very well. Now, as you can see, by following these steps, you can easily set an image as background in Canva, allowing you to create visually appealing designs tailored to your needs. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.